Ralph, where have you been this arvo?
Just spent almost 2 hours with my lawyer.
Yeah.
Had a very lengthy discussion about the whole case.
Yeah.
And
because you're in court on Wednesday.
yes, I'm in court on Wednesday, and my lawyer has told me, asked me how I plea, and I intend to plead not guilty to these charges.
What would not guilty to what?
Not guilty to fraud, because there was no fraud committed against fees.
And what happened?
Well,
How did all this money, 300, 400 grand, was that meant to go to you and Wilson?
Well,
was that honest or dishonest? Was it lawful or unlawful?
It was dishonest. It was unlawful, but I didn't commit a fraud.
Right.
And my lawyer is
what were the payments then? What was this money that came from Tees?
It was a secret commission paid to Wilson. Basically.
Now, mate, you told me that, in fact, well, let's be clear, I was with you in the meeting with your lawyer. You have asked for probably thousands of pages of documents.
Yep.
And your lawyer has a duty to the court to decide whether or not you're entitled to make a claim, to get those documents produced. What happened with that?
She's agreed with us and with myself about those documents, and she will be making representation to the DPP for production of those documents. And
that's a large amount of material.
We're talking several hundred, probably 500 or 600 documents missing.
Not only documents, there's recordings, there's all sorts of... Now, all of this goes to the establishment of your defence, which is...
I didn't commit the fraud they've charged me with.
And that the corollary of that is that Tees was in on it, and others were in on it too.
Well,
and what does the law call that? A what?
Secret commission.
Or that? Yeah, but when conspiracy. Thank you very much. How are you feeling about going to court on Wednesday?
I'm not worried at all, because I know I didn't commit the crime of fraud, and I'm happy to go in there and tell the magistrate I plead not guilty to all 31 charges, and let the DPP on those decide where it goes from here.
Now, just for completeness, you're back here to face 31 charges. You've paid again yourself?
Oh, yeah, mate. Yeah.
Flown yourself over?
Yep.
Put yourself up?
Yep.
And you're available to the authorities to tell them the truth about what happened, who did what, where and when. Good on you, mate. Thanks, Ralph.